This is Crossroads Media. From ideas that spark change to stories which inspire growth, we'll uncover what lies ahead and shape the future together. Welcome to What's Next with Jovit Moya. You know what is true? That you are special. You may not be special in the eyes of people, but you will always be special in the eyes of God. And so, my friends, your pain does not define who you are. Chapter lang po yan. Hindi yan yung buong libro ng buhay niyo. So, what mindset? Tanong niyo sa sarili, what mindset, diba, help you say, I will move on? Diba? As compared dun sa mindset na, bakit nangyari ito sa akin? Alam niyo mga kaibigan, on a personal note, ako kasi, ang lagi kong tanong, I am a man that always wants to learn something new. Yan ang one thing I am proud of. Learning to me is a lifelong endeavor. It should never end. And so even when I come across yung mga traumatic events, every time nagkakaroon ng mga painful events, wala akong shortage niyan sa buhay ko. Hindi perfecto ang buhay. I always ask myself, what can I learn from this? Yan mga kaibigan, ang sekreto kung paano tayo makamove on. Ginagamit ko ang pain, ginagamit ko ang trauma bilang instrumento para matuto, para hindi na maulit yung pain, para hindi na maulit yung trauma, at para ako ay matuto kung ano ba ang tamang landas na aking tatahakin. Pain is beautiful if you use it the right way. You have to begin to see pain as something that shapes you for the better, not as something that destroys you or harms you. Diba? Parang baso lang yan. Pag tinignan mo yung tubig, either half full or half empty, mga kaibigan. Your choice. Ganon din ang pain. You can either see it as a helpful tool or something that will break you. Your choice. Everything is always a choice, mga kaibigan. Kahit yung mga bagay na dumarating sa atin na wala tayong control, ultimately, ang reaction natin, ultimately, how we deal with it, is always our choice. So, ano pa ang mga paraan para ma-redirect natin to? Hindi naman lahat tayo pare-pareho mag-isip, diba? Sabi ko nga, boring ang mundo kung pare-pareho tayo mag-isip. So, number one, name it. Call it what it is. It's painful. If it's betrayal, you call it betrayal. Diba? Whatever it may be. If it's sorrow, call it sorrow. Wag mong isa-sugarcoat. Call it what it is. Because healing begins when you stop pretending. Say it, own it. Nasaktan ako. Yes. Pero hindi doon nagtatapos kung sino ako. Hindi dyan nagtatapos ang buhay ko. Habang ako'y humihinga, I will soldier on. Yeah. Diba? And then syempre, andyan yung feel it safely. Kaya namin mga tao na may tinatawag tayo na cathartic activities. Catharsis is a beautiful thing. So yung ibang tao, pag nasasaktan, kumakain, nagsha-shopping, these are what you call cathartic activities. Diba? Yung iba, napunta sa church, diba? Nagpe-pray. It's a cathartic activity. It's an activity which helps you cope. It makes you feel good. And diba? Yun ang importante doon eh. Being able to feel good again. Yung ibang tao, nagsa-sports, yung iba nagpe-painting, nagsa-sculpture. These are cathartic activities. And if you're gonna learn these are very important tools that will save you, save your mind, save your heart, and save your life. Diba? And syempre, pangatlo, i-remix nyo yung buhay nyo. Remix lang yan. Alam mo yung halo mo yung gin, halo mo yung tonic, shake mo mabuti, di ba? Oh. You have to turn your story, your life story, into a strength, di ba? Kaya nga may mga hugot lines, di ba? Lagi naman tayo tumitingin sa mga social media. Hindi na uubos ang hugot lines. Yung hugot lines, importante yan. Kasi kung iisipin mo, karamihan ng hugot lines ay tumutulong din sa atin. Binibigyan tayo ng, kumbaga, hint how we should live life. Kasi your trauma can also turn into an advocacy that you can use to help other people. Wala man nagturo sa'yo how to cope with life. Pero once you learn, you can even help other people. Diba? You can help them. You can cope with life by being a mentor to others. Kaya pwede siyang maging advocacy. Yan ang kagandahan yan. You can always hold someone's hand and help them survive.
This is Crossroads Media.